Good evening from rainy Melbourne, Australia. I have another video for you guys, just showing another little thing that I've gotten up to around the house. This time I'm trying to sort out a greenhouse that a lovely person gifted me that I did have some seedlings in. I have planted them in the garden, but then in the last few weeks of crazy weather and keeping that greenhouse zipped shut, the weeds and everything got out of control. So the video you're going to see today is of me sorting all of that out and improving it, and it's just another step in the journey of me getting things worked out, I guess. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, so I had this brainwave the other day that my greenhouse is only growing weeds. I want to move the greenhouse, make the ground level, clear it off, get a couple of huge pavers or something to go underneath it to keep the weeds and grass away and set it up better. So I can choose to feel horrible and terrible about the situation, or I can choose to have another go and not give up. So we're gonna make it a lot nicer, and I hope to share my progress sooner rather than later. Not awesome, not fantastic. Now don't bring the dirt over there. Where am I gonna bring it? Okay, so we've got to make sure that this is level, and then we're going to lay down some cardboard as kind of like a weed suppressant, and eventually get some kind of concrete pavers or blocks. I've made the ground level and laid some cardboard down. And now I'm going to carry the greenhouse over and nail it down and do the bricks, because the winds can make it fly away. Okay, so I've leveled the ground. Well, first I moved the greenhouse, pulled all the weeds, all the grass, gone. Used the pickaxe to make the ground level because the block slightly slopes. And then I've laid some cardboard down for like weed suppression, and I'll get maybe some pavers or something. I'm totally 100% greenhouse newbie person, so don't exactly know what I'm doing, but you know, points for effort. Is this what like garden people do? They save up things to be super professional? I don't know. But yeah, and just some bricks I've put around the edges with the pegs underneath to hold this sucker in, because we don't want it to fly away. I'm a brand new baby gardener, so hopefully in the coming years I can have some success. I'm gonna add that of course I'm not dressed appropriately. I'm wearing thongs and jeans and it's really hot. sometimes I just gotta do when I can do it. And if I happen to have these clothes on, oh well, we just do it. We have a go and we don't worry too much. You know, ideal world, yes, gardening clothes. Happy gardening. I hope you are having gardening success and kicking goals. Unless I factor it in majorly to like the day's plans, which I'll probably have to start doing if I want to do a lot of gardening. This kind of thing gets done when the baby is sleeping or my husband is around, or little pockets of time. So I don't have the luxury of being in the garden for hours every day at this stage of my life. So I still have little kids. And they could probably be out here with me to a certain extent, but if we still have to do school and washing and making meals and everything else, you've got to either, I guess, fit it in somewhere or make concessions elsewhere. So I'll work all that out as well, I guess.